Okay, for 710, we have a rebound ratio problem. So remember your picture, right? Here's the 160. This is the original height, and we bounce it once, twice. This one is the second bounce, right? Okay, but let's come up with the equation first. So we know the first bounce, it goes to 120, right? So we can figure out the rebound ratio. So the rebound ratio equals the bounce height over the original, right? So 120 divided by 160 is 0.75. So we now know the rebound ratio is 0.75. So for A, so let's write an equation, right? So it's y equals the original height, 160, times the rebound ratio, 0.75, to the x. So for A, what we really want to know is y equals 160 times 0.75 to the second, right? So 0.75, right, squared, times 160 comes out to be 90, so 90 centimeters. So for B, we want the fifth bounce, right? So y equals 160, 0.75 to the fifth. So 0.75 to the fifth times 160 comes out to be 38, let's round off, approximately 38 centimeters, right? It came out actually to 37.96875. So 97, right? So it depends if they tell round to the nearest hundredth here, nearest centimeter here, right? Okay. And then C, on the nth bounce, we already have that, right? So C would be y equals 160.75 to the nth, right? So this would be the value on the nth bounce.